Okay, so welcome guys to the video. I just received my Zilent Aqua, 77 grams. I There's not a lot of video about those switches, so I'm gonna make a quick sound test. So it does not reflect reality because the board is empty and it's a cheap board. But yeah, that's all I got in the end at the moment. I will have 5 keys to test the switches. To compare, I have some gateron brown. I will explain you why 5 switches after. All the keys are the same layer, so yeah, it's better than nothing. So it's all keys from the same line. Yeah. So this switch is stock Zilent Aqua 77. This one is only lubbed, and this one got lubbed plus switch film. This gateron brown is lubbed plus switch film, and this one is stock. So we're gonna place the keycap. I will have to maintain the board in place because it's moving a little bit, so the sound will be as much close to the reality as I can. Okay, so okay, let me, oh, you will get sick. Okay, so this one is stock, S is lubbed, Zilent, all this line is Zilent, and H is lubbed plus switch film. This is the gateron line, so lubbed plus switch film and stock. Okay, let's give it a try. So medium push. I'm bottoming out, so now I'm gonna push harder. So a lot of the sound come from the board and not from the switch, but you can have a quick idea. Now I'm gonna press gently so you can hear the scratchiness of the switch or not. So the gateron is really scratchy, you can hear it. The Zilent stock feel much better. So the tactility, I think you cannot compare. This one would be, I don't know, it's term of feeling, but yeah, it's the real tactility here. Gateron seems linear. Okay, so I think this is the end of the video. I'm gonna make another video on the switches are mounted to a decent board with the PCB soldered, etc. So the switch are not soldered, so maybe more sound are coming to you because it's not maintained properly in place. But yeah, we'll see another video. It's just to give you guys a quick idea about how silent and tactile the switches are.